Hi, my name's John Miller. I'm the director of the Utility EPC program at REC Solar. We install large-scale utility projects anywhere from 2 megawatts up to 30 megawatts. We work a lot with the public utilities and local smaller developers in particular to do some co-development for utility projects. So if you're a local developer, you're looking for expertise in the utility space with a qualified EPC service provider like REC Solar, we have those in-house services. We have over 50 engineers at REC Solar that do nothing but solar energy, so they're very qualified to work on the optimizing utility scale systems. So we also have staff in-house that build the plants. So REC Solar self-performs all of the EPC services that we offer. We have over 20 project managers. We have offices from Hawaii to New Jersey. We're working in over 14 states. We have active brick and mortar office locations. We're working in Puerto Rico on projects. So we have a pretty wide array of sites that we actually that we install at. REC Solar provides complete turnkey EPC bids for utility scale projects. We bid on the entire project, from some of the initial due diligence and development work through the complete construction of the project, management of the construction, and implementation of the construction itself. And we also offer O&M services for the sites that we install. So REC Solar has been around for over 14 years. We have over 700 employees based from Hawaii to New Jersey. We're working actively in over 14 states at this time. And we built the core company early on in the residential sector. We're one of the largest residential installers in the country right now. And we have a very strong commercial sector that has been doing a great job installing on businesses like national retail box stores throughout the country. And we recently have now started installing and providing EPC services on utility scale projects. So we recently won the 14 megawatt project out in Keausi in Hawaii. We're working on over 100 megawatts of bids for utility scale projects from California to North Carolina to New Jersey and Puerto Rico. We also have a very large government sector. We're one of the largest EPC providers for government work. In the government sector, we've done over 14 sites totaling more than 14 megawatts for the VA hospitals and other Department of Defense. If you're interested in utility scale EPC services, we have them in-house at REC Solar. So we'll provide co-development services on some of the systems, depending on where you're at in your development process. If you have needs for some of the early engineering, site surveys, any kind of geotech services related to some of the due diligence of the site itself, layouts, any of the PV cyst type of production analysis, we can do that in-house and provide you with services for developers on the early end. We can also provide you with competitive bids on any of the utility projects you have, size range from 2 to 30 megawatts. So REC Solar has a very strong procurement group, AEE Solar, where we provide over 100 megawatts annually for BOS type systems throughout the United States to other dealers. So we actually have a very good access to vendors throughout the United States and overseas. So if you're interested in finding out more about REC Solar, please go to our website, recsolar.com, and give us a call. The number's on the website. If you have any questions about utility scale projects, commercial scale projects, or residential.